Adventist Hospital in Mexico recognized as a compassionate institution for its free eye surgery program.
During the 15th World Meeting of Values, the Charter for Compassion, an international organization operating in over 50 countries, recognized La Carlota Hospital as a compassionate institution. The leaders of La Carlota Hospital view this acknowledgement as validation of their initiatives that benefit the community, aligning seamlessly with the institution's core mission and values. Recently, the hospital's free ophthalmological surgery campaign restored vision and improved the quality of life for 70 individuals facing cataract and retinopathy issues. This 3-day surgical initiative, held at La Carlota Hospital Vision Institute, encompassed 40 cataract surgeries and 30 retinal treatments. Additionally, 120 more cataract surgeries have been scheduled at no cost for the future, offering hope to numerous individuals grappling with these conditions. A dedicated team of specialized experts from the Vision Institute generously donated their time and expertise to carry out these ophthalmological procedures,